Hey everybody, I usually don't do much with these vlog things. It's not really my thing. I like doing something with some kind of content, but today was a really rough day for me. Like, I actually sold the 944. It got to the point where the upkeep on it was just, it's not that it was a lot of upkeep, I just don't have the time to do it anymore, focusing on this, focusing on my businesses, and just kind of growing something up and saying, you know what, I want to make it to that next big level, and to do that it's going to take me doing other things, and that's going to mean that the car is going to kind of sit, and I wasn't going to be able to do any work to it. So I said, you know what, it's time. And when I got it back from the shop from its last thing for it, it was running, it was good, just had like the overheating issue was still there. So I said that's about it. I wanted to do what it's like to drive on it, or an automotive experience video for it. It just never came to fruition because, like I said, I never had time. But yeah, that was it for it. The thing I wanted to say was I really like the car. I would definitely suggest anybody that was thinking about getting one to definitely consider one. I would probably go back and do naturally aspirated next time and probably put in like a V8 motor or something like that. But on a whole, the car in general is a great car, and what I really love about it is that there's been a community for a while that's really sprung up around it, and I just wanted to say thank you to those guys, and I appreciate all the work that those people put in supporting me and helping me along the way. Just because I got rid of one does not mean I won't ever have one again. I think I'm going to have plans for something down the road. But yeah, we'll see how that pans out. That's going to be, like I said, when I have time and we actually have one of my businesses kind of settle instead of continuing to grow and grow. And that's the thing is if stuff is growing, you want to focus on it. You want to, you know, put that investment into it and have it be something that if it's going to make you money, spend money to make money kind of thing. These are rewards for success, and it was a reward. This was a reward, and I want to keep that momentum. I bought both cars at the same time pretty much, and like I said, they were both rewards, and it was hard work, and I put a lot into it. I did really good with the sale on this one, so I'm really happy about how it turned out at the end, but still very depressed about it. So I wanted to share that with everybody and just say, you know, we're going to keep this train going. It's been going great. I want to thank everybody out there that supported us along the way. This is not a negative, it's a positive, and I think that's just weird to say because most people would hear that and say, you know, you sold one of your favorite cars, like that's bad. I'm like, no, that actually is giving way to something in the future and something new. So I hope you guys stick around for it. I hope you guys are part of whatever the next story is. It's been a blast so far. Like I said, this is the time to make the next big step. Don't know if it's going to happen this year, but I'm pretty 100% sure that next year is the year, and I'm already calling it right now that this is it. Next year, we're going to take off like a rocket ship. And I'm not talking about views and counts like that. A lot of people, you know, I like it that you guys subscribe, but really what helps me the best and really means a lot to me is the friends that I've made along the way in this journey that look at me all the time and see a video and say, we love it, we think it's great. If that means the video only gets 30 views, if it means it gets 100 views, and I've got views that go into the hundreds of thousands of views. So that's the thing is I do this for the experience that we're doing. It's not a hobby, it is a job. But that's the thing is there's a bigger goal here that's kind of bigger than everybody, and that's why I'm on the journey, and I hope you'll join that journey with me. So thank you guys for taking a look. I hope you check out some of these other videos, and you know, put something in the comments below. Give me some pep talk for this because it's really weird and something I'm kind of excited about. So let me know what your feelings are. We'll talk to you soon. And as always, guys, keep rolling.